Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas KAL giveaway. Guess what? We have winner number 2. Jordan is not here to do this one with me today because he's doing some band stuff. So anyway, I'm doing it solo, but he should be back for the next one. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. For day 2, the winner is, I'm gonna look over here. It is She That Knits, post number 170. And it is Christine from Ravelry. Christine, I'm going to show you your prizes. Please get in contact with me via Ravelry and I'll get those sent out to you. So first up is the lovely yarn from Hypnotic Yarn. Let's see if you can see that. Look at that. This is in her silver and gold Treat Your Feet base. And it is fingering weight. You're going to love this. This is the one that I wanted to keep. Next up is your set of 6-piece crochet set so that you can pick up those drop stitches. Next, I'm going to throw in one of my Black Sheep, see if you can see that, Black Sheep keychains. It's got cute little black sheep on it, and this is my 3-inch key ring. So those are sold on my Etsy shop. So if you guys want one, go out and get one. And last but not least is going to be your project bag, which says, inhale the future, exhale the past. Okay, Christine, I hope you are going to enjoy these prizes. Let me like I said, reach out to me and I'll get these out to you. Okay, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow for day 3. Bye-bye.